Are Udemy AI courses actually good for beginners in 2026? If you're just getting started with AI, the biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong course. It's trying to learn advanced AI topics before understanding the basics. Right now, AI is becoming one of the most valuable skills across almost every industry. Marketers are using AI for content creation, business owners are automating workflows, freelancers are increasing productivity, and developers are building AI-powered applications. Demand for AI skills continues to grow rapidly across the workforce. That's why beginner-friendly AI courses have become some of the most popular courses on Udemy. You'll find courses covering ChatGPT, generative AI, prompt engineering, AI productivity, AI for business, AI content creation, and AI automation. Many are designed specifically for people with little or no technical background. If you're completely new to AI, my recommendation is simple. Start with AI fundamentals and practical tools like ChatGPT before moving into more advanced topics such as machine learning, LLM engineering, AI agents, or AI development. The goal isn't to learn everything. The goal is to learn enough to start using AI in your daily work, studies, or business. That's where most beginners see the fastest results. Whether you're a student, freelancer, marketer, agency owner, e-commerce seller, SaaS founder, or business professional, learning how to use AI effectively can help you save time, improve productivity, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Before buying any AI course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you get started at the best possible price. And if you enjoy finding AI tools, software deals, online course discounts, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.